Hey guys, it's Kyouryuger back again with the special sounds for Gabtera. Now, I found a couple special sounds that I thought were pretty cool, and I'm going to show you guys how to do them today. First off, what I use a little toy lightsaber from a Star Wars, one of those little Star Wars 3.5-inch figures. You open up the mouth, and there's 6 pins in the back. The different pins activate different combinations. You push the ones on the right, and they give you special sounds. And that names the five main names the five main mecha for like their original dino forms. Then the next one. Five main Kyouryuger. The next one is the longest. So that's the third special sound that you can have that's something that I didn't expect any of the beast batteries to do. So it's pretty cool in that regard. That's what I wanted to show you in this video. So until next time guys, this is Kyouryuger signing off.